Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to add indicators in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform used by traders and investors to analyze financial markets and make informed decisions. Indicators are a crucial part of technical analysis and can help you identify trends, predict price movements, and make better trading decisions. To add an indicator in TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart of the financial instrument you want to analyze. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen. This will open the indicator window. In this window, you can browse through the vast library of indicators available on TradingView, which includes popular indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. You can search for a specific indicator by typing its name in the search bar, or browse through the categories to find the one that suits your needs. Once you have found the indicator you want to add, click on it to open its settings window. Here, you can customize the indicator to your liking by adjusting its parameters, such as the length of the moving average or the number of standard deviations for the Bollinger Bands. After customizing the indicator, click the Apply button to add it to your chart. The indicator will now be displayed on your chart, and you can use it to analyze the price action and make trading decisions. You can add multiple indicators to your chart and customize their appearance and settings to suit your needs. It is essential to remember that no single indicator is perfect, and it is always a good idea to use a combination of indicators to confirm your trading decisions. Additionally, it is crucial to backtest any trading strategy that uses indicators to ensure that it is profitable and reliable. In conclusion, adding indicators in TradingView is a straightforward process that can help you improve your trading skills and make better trading decisions. By following these steps and using indicators in combination with other forms of analysis, you can take your trading to the next level and achieve your financial goals.